Oh, careful, these are in the Dollar Tree.
I'm just a spooky pirate. Yeah.
Oh shoot, that definitely got on my hair. Who eats kids? I guess it does. The clown. Oh, shut up. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany and today I am joined by my handsome, wonderful, gorgeous, generous, kind, smart boyfriend Kyle.
Hey gang.
Today we are going to be doing some not $5, I guess less than $4 Halloween makeup kits that I just picked up from Walmart. And I just realized that mine has tattoos and it's for a white person, but we're just gonna go with it.
Play it off.
It's gonna be great. So, yeah.
I'm gonna be a clown, not copyright infringing on any specific scary clowns out there, but you know, your typical scary clown.
And mine is a monster bride. Unfortunately, I don't have that monster bride hair, but we're just gonna go with it. So let's open these babies up. What all do you have? I feel like I have more stuff than you.
Yeah, well yours, that's why yours is expensive. Mine was $3.14.
Mine was $3.98.
So you fancy.
Yeah. Okay, I need to keep this so that I can look at the picture.
Yeah, and you also got the instructions on the back.
That basically just say do the makeup.
It's like put makeup on face.
Let me put my hair up.
My first step was follow the picture on front of package.
While we're doing this, I'm gonna ask some spooky Halloween questions.
Spooky question. I'm nervous.
No, it's gonna be great. The first step is to put it all over your face.
It sounds like a thing that you.
I'm so excited.
Am I supposed to get it wet?
I don't know, but you can. I have a bowl of water right here since
nice.
I have tattoos. I just feel like this might not even show up on me. Cleaning brush, paper towels for cleaning up. Okay, I have all of
Is
that.
this how foundation works?
Yeah, except that's not really working.
No, it's 0%.
Not
Do I
how.
have to like get up in there?
Maybe.
Maybe this side is the foundation side? I don't know.
I think they're the same thing. Okay, so first question. What is your favorite Halloween song? I feel like I already know this one.
Oh man, that's actually a tough question. So for the longest time it was Monster Mash, because that's a classic. But I recently found Spooky Scary Skeletons.
Spooky, scary skeleton.
Yep.
Oh, what a bop. What a seasonal banger.
I genuinely feel like we sing that or it gets stuck in either of our heads at least once.
If I hear the word
daily.
spooky or scary or skeletons, I immediately start
Just
singing.
immediately goes
Spooky,
there.
scary skeleton.
Spooky, scary skeleton.
Cream makeup onto skin surface. I don't know. We're just going to go for it. Oh, that literally doesn't show up. I wonder if I put white on it first and then I put the highlighter on. I mean, I really like Monster Mash. I feel like that's a
Monster Mash is a hit.
typical Halloween song. More than anything, I feel like we've been singing Spooky Scary Skeletons.
Spooky, scary skeleton.
And there's like other
Probably a little too much.
there's other like pop songs too that fit the Halloween theme, like tangentially related to
Like Superstitious.
like Superstition by Stevie Wonder
Yeah.
or like Love Potion No. 9 by
Oh, that's a good one.
whomever the hell.
This girl is wearing like fake lashes and mascara and stuff. That did not come with the kit, so your girl ain't gonna be using it. Ooh, got my hair in there. Who is your favorite Halloween monster or villain?
Ooh. I know yours.
I love Freddy Krueger.
You're a big Freddy gal.
Freddy is my guy. Which, like, when you think about it, is really creepy. I mean, he comes in your dreams, and I love sleep, so it's really not the ideal situation. Like, if Freddy was in real life, I would not be a fan, because I ain't got time for that. I'm trying to sleep.
Trying to get that nap.
This is doing literally zero.
I really
things.
like the Yeah, it's not showing up.
It's fine.
I like the classics. I like, you know, just like Dracula or like Frankenstein's monster.
You know, I didn't know until high school that it was Frankenstein's monster.
Yeah, Frankenstein is the doctor.
Because they don't teach you that. Because in all of the movies, it's just Frankenstein. They don't teach kids that it's his monster.
I was like the kid who knew that at a young age, and I thought it was so cool for telling
That you
people.
knew that?
Yeah, for being like, it actually Frankenstein's the human. And I'm like, shut up, Kyle. Oh.
That's kind of like,
It's one of those things that I cringe about now that I think about. Like, oh man, I was the worst when I was 9.
you were
Time-
that guy.
Time to stay up late at night thinking about it.
Well, we had to read it in high school, so that's when I learned all about that. And I thought Mary Shelley was the coolest woman.
She was metal.
I want yours to be so much thicker. They had to use some kind of something on camera. This probably looks like I've done 0 things. In real life, it looks like I've done 0
Your eyes
things.
are starting to be a color.
It's just shiny. You know what? I'm gonna go for the black now,
Yeah.
and that will make a difference. Okay. Next question.
Oh, I'm ready.
This is a biggie. What is your favorite Halloween movie?
Shoot. I know yours.
Well, like, I don't want to be basic and say Hocus Pocus, but
Oh, you got others on deck?
I mean, you know I love me some Mary Kate Ashley, so the old double toil and trouble.
The old. There's gonna be like 20 viewers out there who like know what you're talking about.
Oh my gosh, there's gonna be so many people who know or have watched double toil and trouble. I
Yeah.
can think of at least 2 people,
I'm
and that's just people I know.
great. I'm done. I quit
With what?
with foundation.
No, you can't.
Hey, that's just foundational as it's gonna get.
You just gotta thicken it up.
Yeah. Halloween movie. I mean, Halloween is a Halloween movie.
Halloween is a great Halloween.
And it's like
movie.
very on the nose, you know. I actually wish that there were more scary movies based around Halloween.
Yeah, that's true.
Because like all the exorcism movies you've ever seen, like we just watched The Conjuring last week. That was great, but that's not technically a Halloween movie.
Pet Cemetery and It.
Carrie.
I love It. Ooh, It might be my favorite Halloween movie.
Which again, spooky movie, but not actually
But not actually Halloween.
a Halloween movie.
Yeah. So, I don't know. It, I think, actually might be my favorite Halloween movie if it counts as a Halloween movie, since it is. Really,
Not.
it's just a scary movie.
Yeah. Is it your favorite scary movie of all time?
Maybe. I think it's just because it affected me so much whenever I was younger.
Yeah.
Like, it still scares me. But I also love watching it. We recently just watched the first and the second one with the new reboots. And it was Kyle's first time watching it. And what do you think of them?
Very spooky. First one was way better than the second one.
Oh, 100%. With the...
No spoilers, but like I think it's more effective to be scaring kids than to be scaring adults. I feel like they didn't really know how they wanted it to end, so they just kind of took it.
Well, that's the whole
In a way.
Stephen King thing.
Yeah, that's like a burn on like all of his books.
And I realize that it is based on a book, but I just feel like it was, 27 or 26 years or something crazy between whenever it came the first time.
Yeah.
I feel like that just too much time passed. I honestly just look like I haven't gotten enough sleep.
You just look tired.
Okay, so I'm supposed to put black on my lips too. What is your favorite couple's Halloween costume that we've done together?
We've done a lot.
Yeah.
Um,
Oh, holy crap, you used all of that.
Donald and Daisy Duck last year was really good.
That one was really cute.
Cookie Monster and Big Bird were also very DIY.
Yeah. We did that this year, last weekend.
Yeah, just a couple days ago.
And we took Kyle's nephew to Boo at the zoo. That one was super cute. I really liked, even though it wasn't really DIY, it was more of just putting on regular clothes, and that was it. Is the Scooby-Doo and Shaggy.
Scooby and Shaggy was fun, yeah.
I thought that was really cute. Should I wear black lipstick?
Yes.
I'm kind of digging the black lipstick.
Quick look here.
Yours is looking interesting.
Yeah.
Ooh. I don't hate it.
Quail Man and Quail Dog.
Oh, that one was fun. We were also, I don't know if y'all have seen it, but on Netflix, BoJack Horseman.
Oh yeah, we were Bojack
We
and
were
Princess
Bojack
Carolyn.
Yeah.
And then we were a bunch of grapes. I was green grapes and you were purple grapes.
We've done a lot of couples costumes.
Yeah, you like dressing up a lot.
Yeah, I do. And I also refuse to wear the same costume twice. Whenever we were living in Louisiana, I remember I wasn't going to be there for our staff party at my job. And so that entire week leading up to Halloween, I dressed up in a different costume every single day.
At work?
Yeah, so I did 5 different costumes. I remember, let's see, I was Penny Proud from the Proud Family. I did a contestant on, what's that show where you have to guess the money? The Price is Right. I was a burglar, a giraffe, and Princess Jasmine, I think. No, that wasn't for work. There was something else, but I was 5 different things. You're looking spooky. What is one of your favorite costumes that you've ever worn? Just in general.
Senior year of high school, myself and a couple of my friends, we went as the Beastie Boys.
Oh, I feel like you'd be a good Beastie Boy.
And so I was just wearing, like
Do you have pictures?
somewhere they're out there.
I need to find
like
them.
my cousin's old, like hand-me-down, like piston sweater, which was very like late 80s, and just like a big old chain. And I was the guy who got to carry around a boombox with a CD mix of all of our favorite Beastie Boys songs, which was like 7. The Beastie Boys weren't exactly our time, so like we could only like name a quick few songs,
Yeah.
and burn it and go. So I listened to the same 7 songs like between every class, just walking through the hallway all day.
So this was at school,
Yeah. And then we went actually trick-or-treating that night, and we were too old to trick-or-treat.
obviously.
We did it anyway. People would like open the door and be like, huh. Also, went as Pong with a couple of friends for school one year.
Yeah.
Yeah, so all I did was carry around like a flat piece of like white cardboard, and one other person did, but whenever the 3 of us were together, like the third person was dressed like he had a white box, like he was like inside it. So we would just like run between us and we just bounce him back and forth, and we were Pong.
This whole time,
Oh no.
I found this thing. Who needs it? Not me. I really like group costumes, as you know. And so in high school, not in high school, in college, me and some of my friends went as the Spice Girls, which I feel like every girl at some point has been part of the Spice Girls group, but it was cute. And of course I was Scary Spice because I'm the only black one, but I also rocked it. So
I look like, you know what I look like?
what?
The Nightman from It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia.
Yeah.
Gonna go
Pretty,
pay some troll tolls.
You gotta pay the troll toll.
I feel like these are going to look extremely stupid. Oh, okay. I see you. This is not for my skin tone.
No.
What was your first Halloween costume? Can you remember?
Yes.
Yeah.
I had this ninja costume that I was like the same, like supposed to be like a Mortal Kombat ninja without like actually paying for the Mortal Kombat copyright ninja, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But like I was the same thing, like I think 4 years in a row. And like in Michigan you're always like, it's always cold by Halloween, so like I was like this ninja, but like my ninja costume was over like my puffy jacket and over my puffy pants.
That's so cute.
I was wearing like boots.
What is the age range for this?
So I distinctly remember that in like first and second grade. Maybe even kindergarten and first grade.
Yeah.
It was like 3 years. Yeah, it was like at least 3 years in a row that I wore it. I also remember dressing up as a hockey player, and we would
That is so Midwest.
and we would just like, there was like this black like Play-Doh stuff that you could put on your teeth to make it look like you were missing a tooth. And we would like take a hockey puck and like cut it off like in half, and then we'd like just glue it to the helmet so it looks like there's a hockey puck stuck in your head.
That's
Just
cute.
like silly stuff like that.
Aw.
Yeah. So those are some of the early ones I remember. How about you, babe?
I feel like the first one I can remember, I was a pumpkin. I don't remember how old I was. I just remember I was super young and I remember being hot. Like sweating in that costume.
Into
So I'm
that pumpkin costume?
yeah, so I'm almost thinking it was either Florida or Japan. Oh. Look at that. You know, that actually doesn't look bad.
No, that works.
Yeah.
That plays. Way to be inclusive. Where are these from? Five Below?
These are from Walmart,
Way to
not
be-
Spawn.
Way to be skin tone inclusive. Walmart. $4
Not intentionally.
makeup kits.
I just realized I'm going to have to take this off my face later. I was also the pink Power Ranger.
Nice.
I loved that costume. I also remember being super hot in that costume as well. It was at I remember wearing it at a school thing, and I had to take off my mask just because I was getting so hot.
Hey,
It's looking creepy.
spooky.
Whenever I was in 6th grade, I had a friend named Darren, and I went trick-or-treating with her because she lived in like the super rich neighborhood.
Hey.
And so we like got the good candy. And I remember she was a jockey and I dressed up as a witch. Oh, and before that, it's all just coming back to me now.
Coming back to me now.
Before that, I remember whenever I lived in Arkansas, I was an angel and my stepmom went ham on putting glitter
Oh no.
all in my hair and stuff, and it looked really awesome. It just sucked to get it off. Tattoos actually look really cool. I'm a fan. So we did some spooky stuff this year. We went to, what was that? We went on a haunted boat. What was it called?
The USS Nightmare.
The USS Nightmare. Cheesy name, but it was really cool. It was in Cincinnati, so it was an hour drive for us. And we ended up having to wait for 2 hours, which sucked, but it was pretty cool. It was kind of cheesy, some parts of it, but it was neat.
They had some like old like 1970s like animatronic scares that were like built in,
Oh my gosh.
which were just hilarious.
Yeah.
Like just so corny. But there's a lot of like well-timed, like the employees were like the actually scary part. They were really good at like the jump scares, and
Yeah, it was a lot of jump scares,
They-
and we
and
were
they're,
in the
like,
back.
so-
Okay, so the camera cut off on us and it died. So these are the final products. So this is our spooky clown.
Scary monster bride.
I think we look good.
You look real good.
You look real creepy.
Yeah.
Kind of a messy clown. Like he was just like,
Haphazardly.
yeah, just putting on his makeup.
Slapping.
He didn't really care. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let us know below what you're gonna be for Halloween. If you're gonna dress up in a costume, what you're gonna be up to, all that good stuff. And yeah, see you in the next video.
Happy
Bye.
Halloween.